Welcome to Bike Zone Proud, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Today, we dive into one of the most anticipated motocross bikes of the year, the 2025 Honda CRF450R. Honda has once again refined its flagship dirt bike, pushing the boundaries of power, handling, and performance. Whether you're a pro racer or an off-road enthusiast, this bike is built to dominate the track. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 CRF450R a true beast. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Honda CRF450R retains its aggressive and race-inspired styling, but comes with fresh new graphics and color options. The signature red bodywork, sharper lines, and factory-style decals give it a bold, professional look. The redesigned plastics enhance aerodynamics and improve rider ergonomics, making it more comfortable for long rides. The overall build is sleek, lightweight, and purpose-driven, embodying Honda's commitment to top-tier motocross design. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF450R lies a 449cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder four-stroke engine, delivering massive torque and high revving power. Honda has fine-tuned the engine for improved low-end and mid-range performance, ensuring better throttle response and smoother acceleration. The revised ECU mapping enhances ignition timing and fuel delivery, giving riders more control and precision on the track. The bike also features Honda's HRC launch control system, designed for explosive starts, ensuring that riders get off the line quickly in races. Additionally, the three-mode selectable torque control, hash control, allows riders to adjust power output based on track conditions, offering better traction on different terrains. Chassis and handling. Honda's aluminum twin-spar frame remains a key highlight, providing the perfect balance of rigidity and flex. However, for 2025, the frame has been slightly modified to enhance stability and cornering precision. Combined with an optimized swing arm and revised suspension settings, the CRF450R offers improved handling, reducing rider fatigue during intense rides. The updated Showa 49 mm coil spring front forks and the fully adjustable rear shock absorber provide superior damping, allowing riders to push harder on rough and unpredictable surfaces. Whether navigating tight corners or tackling jumps, the 2025 CRF450R ensures a confident and controlled ride. Braking and wheels. Stopping power is just as crucial as acceleration, and Honda has equipped the CRF450R with a 260 mm front disc brake and a 240 mm rear disc, both featuring wave rotors for optimal heat dissipation. The Nissan calipers provide strong and consistent braking performance, giving riders the confidence to attack corners aggressively. The bike rides on Dunlop Geomax MX33 tires, specifically designed for motocross performance. These tires offer exceptional grip and durability, ensuring excellent traction on a variety of track surfaces. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Honda has refined the CRF450R's rider triangle to enhance comfort and control. The updated seat profile allows for better movement, while the new handlebar positioning reduces strain on the rider's arms and shoulders. Foot peg placement has also been adjusted to improve grip and stability, making it easier for riders to maneuver the bike in different riding conditions. The bike's lightweight build, combined with improved centralization of mass, makes it feel nimble and responsive. Honda's attention to ergonomics ensures that the CRF450R is not just fast, but also comfortable to ride, even in the most demanding races. Technology and electronics. The 2025 CRF450R continues to lead in motocross technology, with its ride